Let's do one more question. Is there any shoe brand that you prefer or like most? Adidas, Nike, or are you more of a fancy shoe? No, never a fancy shoe. Oh my God.
No fancy shoe?
Oh man, if I ever have a situation like, I mean, it hasn't happened in a while, but like, say I'm going to a wedding and I got to put a fancy shoe on, just kill me. Just forget about it. Like, what are we doing? We're clacking around. We're tap dancing. It's like it's 1942. What are we doing? We got better technology. What are we doing? There's no need for this.
Once in a while, though.
No! For what? What are we pretending? What are we pretending? We're wearing costumes? What are we pretending? Like, I don't mind something that looks cool, but I'm going to take function over form most of the time. Because I feel like if I'm, the whole universe, all my outcomes could possibly change. Imagine I got that shoe on. Imagine today I came with that shoe. Well, the fancy shoe that you're showcasing right now.
I'd be like, finally.
Okay, I come in with that shoe, and I'm slightly, just 1 ounce more aggravated than I would be with a comfortable athletic shoe. And then all of a sudden, you come over to me, and you're like, hey, Lou, I got this new idea. I've been working on this project. Here, check out this thing. I go, shut up! Because my foot is sore and hot and everything else. And then all of a sudden, you're like, I'm not going to take this from this jerk. Forget that. Forget the project. And all of a sudden, something never happened that could have happened because I was trying to do what with my shoe? What was I trying to do? You see? That's not a compromise I'm willing to make. Will. So they invite me to fancy events. I show up in sneakers. I know, whatever. Maybe it's offensive. I show up in sneakers. You know, that's just the way it goes. And just not even any sneakers. Now I got really specific about sneakers because I'm noticing if I don't notice my sneakers, that's when the sneaker's at its best. Well, you don't even feel that it's there. And you know exactly where I'm going here. It's an Adidas Ultra Boost all day. I got too many pairs. I got 14 pairs over there.
But what if this was...
Stop it!
This shoe was...
impossible.
An Ultra Boost.
Impossible.
It was like the most comfortable shoe.
Then fine. Then I got to wear that.
You'll wear this?
That's it. I've told you, function over form in this department. Like, if it looks cool as a bonus, sweet. I'll take it. I'm going to start with the function, and I'm going to move into the form. That's the bottom line. I treat a lot of things like that. Remember they asked about hats the other day? I'm like, it's got to fit right. It's got to have the comfort level. Same with the clothes. The shirt, it's got to have the comfort level. What are you doing to me?
What
right
if it's
now?
a sandwich?
Yeah.
What if you...
Yeah, nice try. Look at the fish one, the fish flip-flops that you're looking at over there.
You would wear those
no,
if it's the most comfortable?
That's not the most comfortable. I mean, I wear other things other than Ultra Boost shoes, but every time I try to switch back to something else, I just notice, oh man, that's not as good. That's not as comfortable. So I keep coming back for more. Adidas is doing something right now. I feel like they got better tech when it comes to a comfort, athletic, leisure type of shoe. This shoe is crushing. And if you look around, other people are picking up on it. That's the truth on the matter. So that's why I'm going to leave it on that. And somehow you got to Crocs again. Somehow you found your way to Crocs again. And no, I do not own or wear those. I don't believe they're that comfortable.